Alright guys, this is an ABBA 6550. There's the key for it. Nothing too crazy there. It's a fully working lock. And despite the odd war wound on the shell there. Okay, I'm going to use top of the keyway tension and a clom hook. Actually, I'll use the slightly fatter pry bar. Okay, I'm going to start at the front. Pin 1. Be very gentle with this light tension. Okay, move to pin 2. It gives us a little bit of counter rotation. Okay, pin 3 gives us a bit of the false setback. Then go to the back. Pin 5. Pin 4. Counter rotation on 3. Okay, pin 2 there, got a bit of false setback. To the back again, pin 5. It's open. Now, yeah, the key here is just being really gentle with it, otherwise it's very easy to overset the pins. It's taken me quite a while to get to this point, so I'm very pleased with that. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon.